Hi Mom and Dads, my name is Dr. Putri Saraswati. I'm the embryologist of Bali Fertility Center. Bali Fertility Center is in Kasih Ibu Hospital. Before we start the IVF journey, you, moms and dads, needs to do the embryologist counseling. So, the embryologist counseling is discussion with you, moms and dads, with the embryologist team. In this discussion, we're going to talk and discuss about the procedure that embryologists need to do during the IVF procedure. What you do with your oocyte or eggs, sperm, and your embryos. In embryologist counseling, the embryologist will explain about the steps and procedure during the IVF. The first step, we're going to start with the OPU or ovum pickup procedure. After your egg collected by the OBGYN, we're going to check your egg in or under the microscope to make sure that we have your eggs. Once we get the egg from the moms, we're going to ask the sample of the sperm from that. Then we're going to continue with the sperm preparation to make sure the sperm is enough and in good quality for the IVF procedure. After that, we're going to continue with the denudation procedure. Once we get your egg, normally the egg will be surrounded with the tissue named cumulus. In denudation procedure, we will collect and clean the cumulus from the egg. After the egg and the sperm ready, then we're going to start with the IVF procedure. There's only two options for the IVF. One is the IVF conventional, and the second is what we call ICSI or intracytoplasmic sperm injection. After we finish or done with the IVF conventional or with ICSI, then we will continue with the culture the embryos until day 3 or day 5, depends on the condition of the embryo. The next steps after we culture the embryo, we're going to transfer the embryo. So there's only two options for the embryo transfer. One, that is we call fresh embryo transfer, and the second is frozen embryo transfer. So the option for this embryo transfer is it's gonna be fresh or frozen. It depends of the OBGYN advice. If the doctor or the OBGYN think that we're going to do the frozen embryo transfer, the embryo we need to freeze first until your condition will be ready to be transferred. This freezing procedure, we call it freezing or vitrification procedure. After we freeze or vitrify the embryos, when the OBGYN decide and advise to do the embryo transfer, we need to perform the warming or thawing embryo. That's to make sure the embryo is ready to be transferred. Sometimes the OBGYN decide or advise to do some tests before we transfer the embryo. What we call of that test is PGTA. PGTA is pre-implantation genetic test to make sure the chromosome or the genetic of the embryos are in normal or haploidy, just to make sure the embryo will be grow in healthy and normal condition. Before we do the PGTA test, we need to get the sample tissue from your embryo by biopsy. So we hope with that you can get more understanding about the procedure of the IVF. You don't have to worry, moms and dads. Please come to Bali Fertility Center for get further information. Let's be brave together with Bali Fertility Center.